Hello everyone, it's Phil from Lost Weekends and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm actually going to be doing some cooking, which is unusual because I am rubbish at it, to be really honest with you. I know some people know that I was in the army, but I was still a rubbish cook. So today is a recipe that I was taught by my grandfather, and he learnt it when he was in the army. Now this recipe, it can be cooked in one pan. That was the whole idea, and in them days, during the war, Second World War, it was basically done in a mess tin or a slightly bigger mess tin. So we're going to do a mess tin breakfast. We're going to do it for 2.5 people because we've got Alfie with us today, and we shall see how it turns out. So I'll go through the ingredients with you and I'll then explain how you cook it, and then if you want to give it a try, please feel free to do so. So let's have a look at Bill's mess tin breakfast from World War II. So here are the ingredients to make Bill's World War II mess tin breakfast. Now it's been adapted over the years. To be honest with you, when Bill made it, it was powdered egg and spam and a raw onion, which was then put in. Well, he's adapted it and we've adapted it. So we introduced the red pepper, which we like. Bill actually changed the onions to spring onions, and he also added mushrooms. And we all went away from spam, even though spam's nice. And we've got some finely chopped bacon, which is cut into strips. We also have here 9 eggs. Now it's preferable you choose your own, how much you need and how much you want and how much you can eat, but we've done this roughly because it's going to reduce quite a lot for two adults and a child. I use a little bit of rapeseed oil just to line my pan, and salt and pepper added to the eggs just for a little bit of extra taste and flavour. Now this, you can have this as a breakfast, or you can have it as a brunch even. We're having it as a brunch today, and it will see us through till our evening meal, perhaps with a little cake or something on the side later. But it is quite a filling meal. So what we'll do now is we'll bob outside. Now before I go any further, I'd just like to say you can use either a barbecue, or you can use a frying pan or a skillet or anything that will hold a liquid that will heat up. So we'll go outside, and we're going to do it on the barbecue today. I'm using my paella pan. To be honest with you, I think it's the most versatile pan that we've got with our barbecue set. So let's have a look outside and see where we're going with this. Okay, see you in a minute. So there we go, there's Alfie's breakfast. Yeah, like that, Alfie? You do? Good. So we've gone with the old traditional HP or tomato sauce, either way or nothing, it's up to you. So see you later, let's have a... Well, that was Bill's mess tin breakfast. I hope you try it because it is really nice. It's quite filling. You can adapt it, so if you're a vegetarian you can add Quorn to it instead. Also, if you don't like bacon, you can change it around. You can probably go back to spam perhaps. It's entirely up to you. The other thing that we've tried it with once before was turkey bacon, and it was quite nice actually. So there's many ways of making Bill's little recipe. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you like this, and if you do, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe by ticking up there, and don't forget to hit the bell button if you've already subscribed to keep up with what we're up to. Well, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.